What is the formal definition of computer architecture?
Computer architecture is the design of the internal operation of a computer system. It includes the rules that dictate how components and data are organized, how data are communicated between components, to allow hardware to function.
What is included in the computer architecture?
Computer architecture includes instruction set of the CPU. An instruction set is a group of commands for a CPU in machine language. All CPUs have instruction sets that enable commands to the processor, directing the CPU to switch the relevant transistors. Some instructions are simple read, write and move commands that direct data to different hardware. An example of an instruction set is the x86 instruction set, which is common to find on computers today. Different computer processors can use almost the same instruction set, while still having very different internal design. Both the Intel Pentium and AMD Athlon processors use nearly the same x86 instruction set. The ISA provides the only way through which a user is able to interact with the hardware. It can be viewed as a programmer's manual because it's the portion of the machine that's visible to the assembly language programmer, the compiler writer, and the application programmer. Addressing modes is also included in computer architecture. Instruction set of CPU consist of 3 parts: addressing mode, opcode, and operand. Opcode is the operation code or action which is to be performed on data. For example, add, increase or jump. Operand is the data, or address of the data, or address of the data, on which action is performed. It might be a register also. This is identified by addressing mode. Computer architecture also includes data types. All these parts make logic of the computer system. Computer architecture acts like an interface between hardware and software. A programmer can view architecture in terms of instructions, addressing modes and registers. While designing a computer system, architecture is considered first.
What is the formal definition of computer organization?
Computer organization comes after the decision of computer architecture first. It is how physical parts are linked together and contribute. Computer organization deals with the structural relationship. The organization of computer tells us how exactly all the units in the system are arranged and interconnected. In simple words, the arrangement of parts around the CPU is organizations. Organization involves physical components like circuit design, adders, signals, peripherals. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. You can write your opinion in comment box.